Hello everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm in my office today. And today we're going to do a kind of a different video, and I'm going to touch on the kind of the kooky, quirky voice warnings on the R31 Nissan 300ZX. The unit I will be using is a 1986 300ZX, and some of the warnings that the voice warning system would cover is the door jar, headlights on, low fuel, and parking brake on. So without further ado, let's take a listen at the warning chimes on the R31 Nissan 300ZX.
Left door is open. Left door is open. Right door is open. Right door is open. Right door is open. Parking brake is on. Parking brake is on. Parking brake is on. Lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on.
Alright, and we hope you liked this interesting, different type of video that we did. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And also, check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. As always, thanks for watching.